Video pa naman.
Baguio. Ayan o, Holy Hill. Baguio. Dito tayo gagarahe. Kaya tayo maglalakad. Gisingin mo na yan. Pwede kaya umakit doon.
Ito, naka-video ko na i-video ko siya.
Pwede kaya umakit doon. Sa taas. Umakit kaya tayo sa taas. Ayun o, ayun ang building o. Ito ang mga ticketing patrol. Kaya tayo doon. Sa taas.
Ayan. Thank you. Dati ano?
Kaya kung amoy ng incense.
I think ito, dito ka maghuhulog. Yan na. Galing ni Adriana. Good job.
Affinity que se convierta en salud de alma y cuerpo para todos los que la consuman y para que todo aquello que sea tocado por esta sal carezca de toda injusticia y de toda inclinación del espíritu del mal.
We are here sa mga souvenir store. Are you going to buy that?
Yeah.
Ito 99 cents.
Ano yan? Ano yan? Ano yan?
O yung pakwintas. Tiga pa ponsera.
Ito, ang ganda. Ganda. Divine Mercy.
Sana.
Pag bracelet, ano? $15.
Ito pa yun.
St. Benedict. Black kunin mo, black.
Ito.
Eh, dahil nagsha-shopping. Si Daddy nagsha-shopping. Carlo. Ganyan. Daddy nagsha-shopping. Jewelry. Ito, ang ganda. Oh. Ito maganda din.
No.
Cafeteria. Mi, harap ka na. Gulo mo naman eh. Si Adrian, oh. Three. 1, 2, 3, smile. O, isa pa. 1, 2, 3, smile. 1, 2, 3, smile.
Unti-unting tumataas, bumababa.
So why do you draw?
Baguio City. Here we
So
come.
why do you draw the table with ketchup, tomato sauce?
We're going back to
Illinois.
Papagasolina tayo.
0.2 miles, turn left on Holy Hill Road.
So, hindi na lang yung natira dyan.
Turn left on Holy
Siguro.
Hill Road. Drive 2.3 miles, then turn right on Wisconsin 83.
Bye, Wisconsin. We're going back to Illinois.
Illinois.
Parang pang karaniwan lang.
Alam ba? Ayan, ang ganda nga.
Bilis mo naman, mamaya ma-shot tayo sa baka. Wala na, yun na yun.
8 plus 7.
Hanapin natin si Snow White.
8 plus 7.
Snow White here sa woods.
15. 16.
Di mo pinili ito.
I said 16.
Okay, 7 plus 7.
No, you already did that.
How many?
I know it. It's 14. You already did that.
Okay, 4.
Ask you question.
Turn left on Hill Road.
Mommy, ask mommy. I'm not good in math.
No,
Oh,
you just need to try, Daddy.
Okay.
What's 32 plus 32?
0.7 miles.
Huh?
Then turn left
I
onto
said
Wisconsin
32 plus 32 plus 2 equals 4. Equals 4. So 32 plus 32 equals
6.4
64.
miles. Turn
Cool.
left onto Wisconsin 16 East.
Next,
Mhm.
1 plus 1.
11?
Magellan.
11 is 10 plus 1.
Oh, okay. So
2,
what?
1 plus 1 is 2.
Okay. I thought it's 11.
11
pala
is
ako.
10 plus 1. Daddy!
Oh.
Pati na.
Oh.
Pati.
Ah, pati na.
How much time?
Ay, Chicago. We're heading to Chicago now.
Heading back to Chicago.
Keep left onto I-43 East.
Ayan pa, Chicago.
Chicago is a tornado magnet. Chicago is a tornado magnet. Wash away to Chicago and go to and go.
Okay.
Da 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 da. Bye, Wisconsin. We're going to Illinois. Still the right day. Stop it.
Parang
Stop.
purple
You
lang.
da 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 da.
Ay. May flash pala. Gabi na. Gabi na kami. Eto na kami ngayon. Nasa daan pa rin. We're still on the road.
To go on to Illinois.
On the road again.
To go on to Illinois.
Still on the road again.
To go on Illinois.
Where we at na ba? Ano na ba tayo? Nasaan na ba tayo?
I don't know. We're going to bake when we get home.
Crestwood. Alas na. Malapit na pala.
Bake when we get home.
What? We're here. We arrived safe and sound. Finally, we're
Can you shut up?
home. Magago to. Finally, we're home.
Can you
In
shut up,
our
guys?
house.